Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone's 2020 camera. If it's not working, just follow these steps and you should have it up and running in no time. For refreshing your network, turn on the airplane mode on for a few seconds and turn it off. This helps refreshes your network connections. Check continuity camera. For this, open the settings of your phone, then go to the general option. From there, tap the airplay and continuity option. From there, make sure continuity camera is turned on. If it's off, turn it on. If it's already on, try turning it off and back on again. Then the next step is go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option. From there and go to the VPN devices management option. You can see from there, if a VPN is enabled, turn it off or remove it temporarily. VPNs can interfere with continuity camera. Check Bluetooth connection on your Mac. Open system settings or system preferences on older Macs. Go to Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. On your iPhone, open the settings, go to the Bluetooth option, make sure Bluetooth is on and your iPhone is connected to your Mac. If it not, select your Mac and tap connect. If necessary, unpair and repair the devices. For reset network settings, if nothing works, open the settings of your phone, go to the general option. From there, then scroll down and find the transfer or reset option. From there, tap the reset option and tap the reset network settings option. From there, after tap, enter your passcode and your iPhone will be restarted. Reconnect your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and try using continuity camera again. That's it. I hope this helps fix the issue. If you found another solution, share it in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.